Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to revise lesson number 17 because now revision days are going on. So we are to revise lesson number 17. For this, I have prepared one assignment. Revision assignment is there, which we are going to solve today now. And later on, one Google form is also there. You might have seen in your group, WhatsApp group, where Google form is also given. It will be opened today. So you can view scores also from that Google form, and you can attempt it again. If your answer is wrong, no problem, but revise it thoroughly. Okay. Here, first assignment, I have prepared lesson 17 की assignment है. So you are to write the answer in the chat box. So let's start, Betty. First question is fill in the blanks. First one is the Indian National Congress was formed in. Write in the chat box. Very good. I am getting response. Very good. Number डाल के लिखो बेटी. Very good. Year was asked. Jai Banga, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Jai Banga.
Ma'am, 1000. Thank you, mommy. Ma'am, 1885.
Yes, it's 1885.
की करना है?
The correct answer is 1885.
करना है बड़े
Gaurav,
ता फिर
Gaurav, mute yourself, bete. Kindly mute him, ma'am. Okay, next, second one is early leaders of Indian National Congress were called. Very good. All are giving correct response, and I am surprised your answer is correct. Moreover, spellings are also correct. Okay, Rashesh Parmar, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Early leaders of
moderate.
called. Read the full sentence, bete.
Early leaders of Indian National Congress were called moderates.
Very good. Early leaders of Indian National Congress were called moderates. Next one, third one is the first session of Indian National Congress was held at. You are to write the place. Very good. Students are writing. Navalpreet, unmute yourself and read the full sentence with answer.
The first session of Indian National Congress was held at Bombay, now called Mumbai.
Now called Mumbai. हमने बेटे बॉम्बे ही लिखना है. बॉम्बे का ही जो प्लेस है वही लिखेंगे हम, बिकॉज उन्होंने प्लेस का नाम ही पूछा हुआ है. ओके, सो बॉम्बे is the correct answer, and some students are writing Bombay in small letter. Because so many times I have told you, you are to write name of a city in capital. In the notebooks also I have made corrections, so be careful. Next is fourth one. Dash believed in the methods of patience. Write in the chat box with number. Okay. Ghazal, unmute yourself and tell the answer, Betty.
Moderates believe in the methods of patience.
Very good. Moderates believed in the methods of patience. Next, Who will? Next one is Dash wanted quick actions. Dash wanted quick action. Is there any Manpreet? मनप्रीत नेम से एक बच्चे ने मैसेज सेंड किया है. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटे एंड टेल मी द नेम. Okay, Vinayak, unmute yourself and tell the answer, बच्चे. मनप्रीत.
Radicals wanted quick action.
Okay. मनप्रीत बेटे रेडिकल के स्पेलिंग आपने रॉन्ग लिखे हुए हैं. करेक्ट द स्पेलिंग्स. ओके, इट्स RADICALS. ओके, नेक्स्ट सिक्स्थ वन इज Dash started a newspaper Kesari. Give the answer 6. जसदीप कौर से नेम से जो बच्चा है बेटे आपने रीनेम नहीं किया हुआ है. जसदीप कौर के नाम से जो बच्चा है, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टेल मी योर नेम.
Ma'am, Sargunpreet Kaur.
Yes, Sargunpreet. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, this answer is Tilak started a newspaper Kesari.
What was his full name, bete?
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
So you are supposed to write the full name of the personality. So it will not
Okay,
be
ma'am.
Tilak only. It will be Bal Gangadhar Tilak started a newspaper Kesari. Clear? Okay, next one is Bengal was divided into dash parts. Bengal was divided into dash parts. Neil Arora. Unmute yourself,
Ma'am,
Neil Arora.
Good morning. Ma'am, 2.
Yes, 2 parts. Can you tell which are the 2 parts, bete? Neil? Which were the 2 parts? Neil, can you tell?
Ma'am, याद भूल गया मैम.
Yes, bete, speak up.
मैम याद भूल गया मैम.
Harleen Kaur, can you tell which were the 2 parts in which Bengal was divided?
मैम West and East.
Who is this? Raise your hand, bete.
West and East Bengal.
Manjot Kaur, unmute yourself. Manjot
Bengal and East Bengal.
Very good. East Bengal and West Bengal were the 2 parts. East Bengal was Muslim majority area and West Bengal was Hindu majority area. So it was divided into 2 parts. And the reason given by the Britishers was that it was too big. Bengal बहुत बड़ा है, उसको एडमिनिस्टर करना मुश्किल हो रहा है, इसलिए उसको 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. But main motive was to disunite Hindu and Muslim. हिंदू और मुसलमान को अलग करना ही उनका मेन मोटिव था. So good. Next, 9th one is washermen refused to wash dash clothes. Sorry, I forgot 8th sentence. The partition of Bengal was held on. Very good. आपको डेट लिखनी है. Navalpreet, unmute yourself. Navalpreet, unmute yourself. And
16th October 1905.
1905. 16th October 1905 was the date, which was observed as mourning, day of mourning, because it was a very sorrowful day for both Hindus and Muslim of Bengal. Next is 9th one. But some students are writing October OCT only. Write full spellings. Okay. Blanks mein to at least you should write full spellings. 9th one is washermen refuse to wash dash clothes.
Forum.
बेटे students are writing correct answer but spellings are wrong. Rashesh, it's Foreigen. Correct your spellings. Fore, then IGN. Okay, good. 10th one is a young revolutionary dash was hanged by the British government. Who was the young boy who was given this punishment? Very good. Avni Juglan, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, Khudiram Bose.
Khudiram Bose was a Bengali boy. Can you tell the age? What was his age when he was hanged?
Ma'am, 15 years.
Yes, 15 years. He was very young boy of 15 years. He was hanged by the British government because he was a revolutionary. He believed in the violence. Here, Betty, I want to tell you the difference between moderates, radicals and revolutionary so that you might not get confused. Moderates जो थे कांग्रेस के लीडर्स थे जो पेशेंटली अपनी डिमांड्स को ब्रिटिशर्स के सामने रखते थे, उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करते थे, लेटर की फॉर्म में रखते थे ताकि उनकी जो डिमांड्स हैं वो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट कंसीडर करे. और रेडिकल्स जो थे वो फेडअप हो चुके थे, मतलब डिले होती जाती थी उनकी डिमांड्स को, बहुत लेट करते रहते थे ब्रिटिशर्स, तो वो चाहते थे कि उसका क्विक एक्शन हो और इसके लिए उन्होंने बायकॉट करना शुरू कर दिया, स्ट्राइक्स करनी शुरू कर दी. तो वो लीडर जो थे वो रेडिकल्स थे. उन ग्रुप ऑफ लीडर्स को रेडिकल्स कहा जाता था. और रेवोल्यूशनरी जो थे दे वर वेरी वायलेंट. वो वायलेंस में बिलीव करते थे. वो ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स को मार डालते थे. क्लियर? तो इस ग्रुप को रेवोल्यूशनरी कहा जाने लगा. तो इस तरह से 3 ग्रुप्स आपको पता चल गए. मॉडरेट्स जो पेशेंटली सारी रिक्वेस्ट अपने रखते थे, रेडिकल्स जो क्विक एक्शन चाहते थे, बायकॉट में बिलीव करते थे, और रेवोल्यूशनरी जो बहुत वायलेंट थे और वायलेंस में बिलीव रखते थे. क्लियर? आई होप अब आपको क्लियर हो गया है. चले नेक्स्ट इज answer in one word. Same you will write in chat box. Theme song of Swadeshi movement. Write down in the chat box. Very good. Good. Very good. It's Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the correct answer. Okay, almost सब students ने ठीक लिखा है. In the last class बेटे students were saying Vande Mataram. It's not B, it's V. V for van वाला Vande Mataram है, not B. Okay, in your book by mistake it is BANDE लिखा हुआ है. मैंने correction कराई थी. जिन्होंने नहीं correction करी है, you must do the correction बेटे. It's Vande Mataram. Okay, next one is First World War broke out in. आपको year लिखना है. Second का answer. Very good. Khushnak Gulati, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
1914.
Very good. It's 1914. Good. Next, third one is who published paper Mataram? Who published paper Mataram? Very good. Students are giving response. Parisha Duggal, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
Madam Kama.
Here you have written wrong spelling. Maybe typing mistake is there. It's
Yes,
CAMA. Okay. It's Madam Kama. Okay. Next is Gadar party was formed by. Write in the chat box. Sargunpreet, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Gadar Party was formed by.
Gadar Party was formed by Indians.
Which Indians?
नहीं होगा
Indians who settled in USA. बेटे,
कैसा है कि तू ऐसे कंजी के साथ करता है ना तो
Yes,
नहीं
who is
बनेगा
there?
तू चाहता नहीं
Who is this? Mute yourself. Indians who settled in USA, they formed Gadar Party. अमेरिका में जो इंडियंस रहते थे उन्होंने फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल को सपोर्ट करने के लिए गदर पार्टी बनाई थी. क्लियर? So you will not write only Indians. You are to write full sentence. Indians settled in USA formed the Gadar Party. Yeah, Gadar Party was formed by the Indians settled in USA. Next is leaders who believed in violence. Very good. Ame, mute yourself, Ame. Yes, correct answer is revolutionaries. Revolutionaries were the people, were the leaders who believed in violence. Next is founder of Indian National Congress. You are to write the name of the founder. जो इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस जिसने बनाई थी. Yes, good. Khushnak Gulati, very good. I can't see your face, Khushnak. Your camera is off. Okay. Manpreet, tell the answer. Manpreet, unmute yourself and tell the answer, bete. I think he's not here. Okay. Anyone else? Harleen. Harleen, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
H.O.A.O. Hume.
A.O. Hume. A.O. Hume was the founder of Indian National Congress. Okay, very good. Now let's say have true false. Here few statements are given. You are to tell whether this statement is true or false. And if it is false, then what should be the correct statement? Okay. So the first one is Lala Lajpat Rai started Kesari newspaper. Very good. Students are writing. Okay. Sargunpreet. Unmute yourself, Sargunpreet, and tell me the correct answer.
First is false, and the right statement is Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak started Kesari newspaper. Okay, good. Next, second statement is Ajit Singh was a radical. Ajit Singh was a radical. Parisha Duggal, can you bit tell?
Ma'am, true.
No, it's not true, Betty. Navalpreet.
Ma'am, false because he was a revolutionary.
Very good. Ajit Singh was a revolutionary. Okay. So this statement is again false. Third one is Britishers followed the policy of divide and rule. Britishers followed the policy of divide and rule. Yes, Vinayak. Unmute yourself and tell the answer. Yes, this is true. So nothing is wrong in it. They followed the policy of divide and rule. They divided Hindus and Muslims. Fourth one is Aon Hume was the first president of Indian National Congress. A.O. Hume was the first president of Indian National Congress.
Of three is
Tell whether it is right or wrong. Very good. Good. Yuvita, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Yuvita.
False.
False. What should be the correct? What should be the correct statement, bete?
Ma'am, it is false, but I don't know the correct statement.
I'm not able to hear you. Anyhow, Ghazal, can you tell? Avni. Avni. Yes. A.O. Hume was the founder of Indian National Congress and the first president of Indian National Congress was W.C. Banerjee. Okay, दोनों तरफ से करेक्ट मैंने करके बता दिया है. Next one is Veer Savarkar was a revolutionary. Veer Savarkar was a revolutionary. It's fifth one is Parisha. Why?
Ma'am,
Or girl? Manish, Mani and Gaurav, keep yourself on mute mode, bete. Parisha, yes, unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
ma'am, true.
True. This is true statement. He was a revolutionary. Next one is women did not join Swadeshi movement. Women did not join Swadeshi movement. Very good. All are writing false. Yes, women joined Swadeshi movement. So this was the assignment which you are to solve and in your notebook you are to solve it. If any doubt is there, you can unmute yourself and let's do the question answer. Why and when was the Indian National Congress was formed? Answer is very simple. In the first part, when was it formed? The Indian National Congress was formed on 28 December 1885 in Bombay. And the second part is why it was formed. It was formed to propose economic reforms. ये तब बनाई गई थी ताकि लोगों की इंडियंस जो थे उनके बीच में उनका इकोनॉमिक इम्प्रूवमेंट हो सके, उन इकोनॉमिकली वो स्ट्रांग हो सके, रिफॉर्म्स किए जाए. और दे ऑल्सो वांटेड कि जो ब्रिटिशर्स अपनी पॉलिसीज बनाती हैं तो उसमें इंडियंस की भी पार्टिसिपेशन हो, इंडियंस भी उसमें पार्ट लें, क्योंकि इंडियंस को पता है कि हमारी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, वो अपनी शेयर कर सकते हैं ब्रिटिशर्स के साथ. तो जब भी कोई पॉलिसी बनाए तो इंडियंस को भी उस पॉलिसी में शामिल किया जा सके. So that's why Indian National Congress was formed by A.O. Hume on 28 December 1885. Next question is, who were moderates? मॉडरेट्स वो लीडर्स थे, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के वो लीडर्स थे जो कि पेशेंटली अपनी रिक्वेस्ट ब्रिटिशर्स को रखते थे. Who believed in the methods of patience and wanted to settle minor issues in a peaceful manner. पीसफुल मैनर का मतलब होता है शांति के साथ, बिना किसी झगड़े के पीसफुली मैटर को सुलझा लेना. So this was the quality of the moderates, and here name of moderates are written: Dadabhai Naroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. They all were the moderate leaders.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible on my end.
Is it not visible?
मेरी नहीं दिख रही लैपटॉप पे.
Otherwise, I am. It is visible to me, ma'am.
Okay.
Parisha, is it visible on my phone also, ma'am? It is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay, ma'am. Then problem maybe from my side.
Okay. So next question is, what were the demands of the moderates? Moderates क्या demand रखते थे? एक तो वो चाहते थे कि इंडियंस का लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड जो है वो इम्प्रूव हो जाए. They demanded for the improvement in the living standard of Indian people. और दूसरा वो चाहते थे कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स में भी इंडियंस को एम्प्लॉय किया जाए, अपॉइंट किया जाए. They demanded that Indians should also be employed in government jobs. Hope clear है सबको? Next question is, who were radicals? How did they differ from moderates? The radicals were the political leaders of Indian National Congress who adopted the method of passive resistance, boycott and Swadeshi. Passive resistance का मतलब होता है विरोध करना, बायकॉट करना और अपने देश की बनी हुई चीजों को यूज करना. वो मॉडरेट से क्यों डिफरेंट थे? क्योंकि ये ओपनली अपोज कर रहे थे. मॉडरेट्स अपोज नहीं करते थे, वो पेशेंटली अपनी रिक्वेस्ट ब्रिटिशर्स के सामने रखते थे. बट रेडिकल्स वर अपोजिंग और दे वांटेड क्विक एक्शन. वो चाहते थे कि हमने जो डिमांड रखी है उसका क्विक एक्शन हो, उसको जल्दी से मान लिया जाए. लेटर्स लिखने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा था, तो their demands were not entertained. And radicals were in favor of strikes and boycott. Radicals boycott करते थे, strikes करते थे अगर उनको कोई बात पसंद नहीं आती थी जो उनके फेवर में नहीं होती थी. Clear? Next one is, why was Bengal partitioned? बंगाल की पार्टीशन क्यों की गई? Actually, the partition of Bengal was an attempt to disunite Hindus and Muslims. हिंदू मुस्लिम्स को अलग अलग करने के लिए एक ये कोशिश की गई. उन्होंने डिवाइडेड रूल की पॉलिसी अपनाई और ऑफिशियल रीजन ये दिया कि बंगाल बहुत बड़ा है, इसको एडमिनिस्टर करना, इसके ऊपर चेक रखना, लोगों का वेलफेयर देखना, लोगों को लुक आफ्टर करना हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. सो ये ऑफिशियल रीजन बताया गया. एक्चुअली ये अटेम्प्ट थी हिंदू मुस्लिम की यूनिटी को रोकने की. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट वर द फीचर्स ऑफ स्वदेशी मूवमेंट? स्वदेशी मूवमेंट के क्या फीचर्स थे? लोगों को कहा गया कि वो देश की बनी, गुड्स होता है चीजें, स्वदेशी गुड्स मतलब जो अपने देश में बनी हुई चीजें हैं उनको यूज करना. लोगों को कहा गया कि वो अपने देश की बनी चीजों को यूज करें और फॉरेन की बनी हुई चीजें जितनी भी फॉरेन से आ रही हैं, क्लोथ्स है, शुगर है, सॉल्ट है, उसका बायकॉट करें. और वॉशरमैन ने भी फॉरेन कपड़े धोने से मना कर दिया. लोग सड़कों पे आ गए और उन्होंने फॉरेन थिंग्स की बोनफायर होता है इकट्ठी करके चीजों को आग लगा देना. People came out in the streets and made bonfires of the foreign goods. Many women also joined this movement. बहुत सारी लेडीज ने भी उस मूवमेंट को ज्वाइन किया. So all these were the features of स्वदेशी मूवमेंट. क्योंकि आपको पता है ये जितनी भी लेडीज होती हैं, they are using mostly foreign things. They were using the things. So in this way many women also joined और उन्होंने भी अपने कपड़ों को आग लगा दी और जिस कारण से ये इस मूवमेंट को बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेस मिली. So I hope this lesson is clear to everyone. Question answers are also clear to everyone. So